topic is Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Enterprises and Their Specialization, Fundamentals of Rational Use of Medicinal Plants. Pharmaceutical production enterprises and rational use of medicinal plants. The pharmaceutical industry plays a key role in healthcare, providing the population with higher quality and safe medicines. Drug production is a complex process that requires strict standards. An important component of industry is the rational use of medicinal plants, which serve as a source of active substance for many drugs. Characteristics of pharmaceutical manufacturing enterprises. Pharmaceutical companies carried out a full cycle of production of medicines, from development to production of finished forms. Their main functions include the development of new drugs, the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and finished dosage forms, tablets, capsules, solutions, ointments, injections, as well as quality control, packaging, and labeling of products. To ensure the safety and effectiveness of medicines, companies must comply with international and national standards, such as GMP, which guarantees product uniformity and minimizes the risks of contamination and errors. Technological features and personnel qualifications. Technological features. Use of modern automated lines to improve the accuracy of dosing. Availability of specialized production areas with different levels of clean rooms. Application of modern analytical methods of quality control. Chromatography, spectroscopy. Introduction of research units for the development of innovative medicines. Qualification staff members. The staff includes pharmacists, chemists, biologists, process engineers, and quality control specialists. A high level of professionalism and continuous professional development of employees are the key to successful operation of the company. Specialization features of pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical companies can specialize in different types of products, which determines their production process and raw material requirements. Ready-made dosage forms. Tablets, capsules, solutions, injections, ointments, patches, etc. Active pharmaceutical ingredients. APIs, chemical or biological substance with pharmacological activity. Herbal preparations. Extracts, infusions, and herbal remedies from medicinal plants. Biotechnological preparations. Vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, enzymes, and hormones. Classification of enterprises by scale and production processes. Classification by scale. Large integrated enterprises. They produce a wide range of products and have their own research centers and laboratories. Medium and small businesses. They often specialize in a narrow market segment and, for example, the production of only herbal and biotechnological preparations. Features of production processes. Companies that produce herbal products pay special attention to the quality and origin of medical plants. Biotechnological enterprises use the cultivation of cells and microorganisms, which requires special conditions of sterility and control. Importance of medicinal plants. Medicinal plants are an important source of biologically active substance used in pharmaceuticals. They provide raw materials for the production of herbal medicine and serve as the basis for the synthesis of new drugs. Rational use of medicinal plants is aimed at ensuring sustainable supply of raw materials and conservation of natural resources. Principles of rational use of medicinal plants. Optimal collection time. The collection of plants should be carried out during the period of maximum content of active substance, for example, during flowering or fruiting. Compliance with the collection rule. Use the sparring method, inclusion of root cutting in perennial plants, collection in compliance with norms and quotas. Recycling and storage. Fast and correct drying, storage in conditions that exclude spoilage and loss of activity. Inventory recovery. Cultivation of medicinal plants on plantations, creation of nurseries, protection of wild species. Raw material quality control. Identification of species, checking for the content of active substance, the absence of impurities and contaminants. Cultivation, harvesting, and biotechnology methods. Cultivation and harvesting. Cultivation of medicinal plants under controlled conditions of obtain higher quality raw materials and reduce the burden on natural populations. Wild plants. The collection of wild species should be regulated by law and controlled to prevent resource depletion. Biotechnologies and standardization. Modern biotechnologies make it possible to isolate and standardize active substances from plants, ensuring stable quality and effectiveness of drugs. This includes isolation of pure extracts and concentrates, use of cell cultures for the production of biological active substance, standardization of the content of marker compounds. Conclusion. Pharmaceutical manufacturing enterprises are complex high-tech complexes that ensure the production of higher quality and effective medicines. Their specialization ranges from the production of chemical APIs to herbal and biotechnological preparations. Rational use of medicinal plants is an important aspect of the sustainable development of the pharmaceutical industry, allowing you to preserve natural resources and ensure a stable supply of raw materials. Introduction of modern methods of cultivation, quality control, and biotechnologies contributes to improving the safety and effectiveness of plant-based medicines.